Today we'll talk about how can you enable sync contacts on your Emo app. We're going to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So all you have to do, you just go above your photo profile, click on it here. Then it's going to take you to this list. Then all you have to do, just click here on security and privacy here. Then come to next step here. Then all you have to do, just go down here. So you keep going down, then you click here on add phone contacts, click on it, then it's going to take you to this list. Then all you have to do, just come here to sync contacts, click in this sign, then like so when you just click on it, so I'm going to click here, just click here on sync contacts, you click here on settings, so then it's going to take you to this list here, and you click here on permission here. So then here you go down and you click here on contacts, you click here on allow. So then it's going to enable video here on your when you go back. So just go back, you click here on sync contacts, and like you see, it's enabled with us now. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.